Hello everyone, my name is Nabila Septi Wulandari. You can call me Nabila, and my friend is.
My name is Putri Hanifah Swarno. You can call me Hanifah.
Okay, let's start our conversation. At the campus, there are two people chatting before the class starts. Hello, how are you?
Hi, I am fine. But yesterday I flew dizzy and had a fever.
Oh, I felt the same yesterday. Could it be because of the weather?
I think so, because it was sunny in the morning and afternoon, but rainy at night. Maybe that's why we were sick yesterday.
By the way, what have you been doing lately?
Lately, I've been rewatching Indonesian movie.
Wow, what have you been watching recently?
Lately, I've been rewatching Villain 1990.
Wow, I've watched that movie multiple times. It's so romantic, isn't it?
Yeah, I agree with you.
Movie to present information about a high school love story in Bandung, where the male protagonist is a member of a famous motorcycle gang in the Buah Batu area, while there is a female character who is transfer student from Jakarta. This is how the story of Dylan 1920 begins.
Yeah, that's right. In that scene, there's a part where Dylan says to Milia, I predict we'll meet at the canteen this afternoon. I think Dylan was there in that scene.
Hahaha, yeah, you're right. In the next scene, Milea and Dylan get even closer even though Milea already has a boyfriend in Jakarta.
Yeah, it's really unfortunate for Dylan to have fought so hard while Milia still has a boyfriend in Jakarta. But in the end, Dylan's effort to achieve of Amelia broke up with her boyfriend. His call is Penny in Jakarta.
Yeah, and I think the climax scene in the movie is when it towards the ending with Melia looking for Dylan at Warung BM and meeting Anhar. Dylan's friend from the same gang, Melia and Anhar get into an argument and without realizing it Anhar slaps Melia.
That's right. After that scene, Dylan finds out about it and gets angry. He looks for at Anhar and immediately punches him. But then Milia intervenes and separates them.
And the scene continues until Dylan invites Milea to Warung BM, where Leah treats Dylan. Dylan then confesses his love to Milea and formalizes their relationship by making a proclamation in Dylan style. What's even funnier is that this Dylan style proclamation is stamped and signed by both of them.
Yeah, that's a funny and very different way of expressing feelings. It's it.
Yes, and very romantic. Don't forget that.
Yes, you're right. Oh, there's one scene that I feel and somewhat of over the top, which is the flag ceremony scene where Dylan is reprimanded by Mr. Supripto, the Queen's counselor, and he does it in a harsh manner towards his student.
I think teachers in the past were indeed very strict and professional in their teaching methods. Any slight mistake would lead to punishment without leniency, unlike teaching methods nowadays. Considering the historical context, I believe it was still acceptable back then, but if it were to happen now, it may be considered harsh and inappropriate.
But in my opinion, the teachers seem arrogant and wanting to win alone. Oh, by the way, do you know where this Dylan movie is adapted from?
The movie Dylan 1990 is adapted from a novel.
Who is the writer of the movie Dylan 1990?
Movie Dylan 1990 is the work of Pedi Baik and Titin Watimena.
Do you know if the movie Dylan 1990 is based on a true story of just fictional?
The movie Dylan 1990 is based on a true story, although the storyline often includes fictional scenes. The setting is also taken from real events that occurred in Bandung in 1990.
Wow, that's amazing. I thought Dylan 1990 was just a fictional movie, but it turned out it's based on a true story.
Yes, the scenes are very romantic, and many people thought it was just a fictional movie.
You know how much budget was spent on making this movie because I think it spends quite a large amount of money.
The budget spent on making the movie Dylan 1990 was 11 billion Indonesian rupiahs.
Wow, that requires a lot of expenses. Approximately how many viewers watched this Dylan movie?
According to the website I read, upon its release, Dylan 1990 had been watched by 6,315,664 viewers, making it the placing it Indonesian film of 2018 and the second place film all of time.
Oh, I forgot to ask you this. What do you think are Iqbal Ramadan and Vanessa Priscilla suitable for the roles of Dylan and Milia?
In my opinion, the role of Dylan is very suitable for Iqbal because he embodies the character very well and is perfect for playing the bad boy character. While the role of Milia given to Vanessa is also fitting because she has a calm and graceful demeanor that match Milia's character in the movie.
In my opinion, the role of Dylan is also suitable for Iqbal. Well, for Milia played by Vanessa, is less fitting because in some scenes, Milia seems unable to fully embody the role, such as when she acts angry, she fails to express that emotion.
Yes, everyone has different opinions, so you are free to express your opinions.
Which company produced the Dylan movie and who distributed it?
The company that produced the Dylan movie is Max Pictures, while the distributor is Falcon Pictures.
When was the Dylan 1990 movie released and how long is the duration of this movie?
The Dylan 1990 movie was released on January 25, 2018, and the duration of this movie is 110 minutes.
Has this movie ever won any award?
According to the website I read, in 2018, the movie Dylan 1990 won the Indonesian Choice Award 2018 in the category of Movie of the Year. It also won awards from the Indonesian Movie Actor Awards 2018 for favorite film. Favorite newcomer actor is Vanessa. Favorite couple is Iqbal and Vanessa. SCTV Awards 2018 in the category of feature film, and finally the Indonesian Television Award 2018 in the category of most popular artist if Iqbal.
What do you think about the ending of the movie Dylan 1990?
In my opinion, in the ending of the movie Dylan 1990 is satisfying because I hope they will officially become a couple and that finally happens in their ending scene.
In my opinion, the movie Dylan 1990 is relevant for the audience as it only tells the beginning of Dylan and Milia relationship. We don't know how their relationship progresses. So the ending of this movie is very suspenseful.
Yes, that is right. It's very suspenseful because after the movie Dylan 1990, which tell Dylan and Milia officially becoming a couple. There is the movie Dylan 1991, which narrates the time when Milia and Dylan are dating. Then there's the movie Milea, The Sound of Dylan, which tell the story from Dylan's perspective, while the previous Dylan movie was from Milea's perspective. And the final movie in the Dylan series in Anchika, the Dylan series is Anchika, He Who Is With Me, 1995.
Wow, there are so many series from Dylan. If just once, the movie Dylan 1990, do you recommend this movie?
Yes, I would recommend this movie to anyone who asks because it's really exciting. And I would recommend all the series because they tell the romantic story of Dylan in a sequential and coherent manner.
Alright, in that case, I watch the Dylan series in sequential later.
You must watch it.
What moral values do you think can be taken from the movie Dylan 1990?
From this movie, the moral values that can be taken are mutual assistance among friends, preserving nature as seen from the beautiful setting, and believing in God because in one scene, Mila dubbed Dylan prediction. What do you think is the message conveyed in the movie Dylan 1990?
In my opinion, the message in the movie Dylan is to never give up on right your desire. If you are determined, then apply yourself maximally to achieve the desired result.
You are right. Alright, let's go home. We've been chatting too much and lost track of time.
Okay, let's go home.